Welcome back. Today I will discuss about some question of continuity exercise 5.1. So that question this question is important point of view, exam point of view. So that fx is equal to 2x plus 3 and 2x minus 3, and when function fx is 2x plus 3, x less than or equal to 2 and 2x minus 3, x greater than 2. So now we can solve given function fx is equal to 2x plus 3 and 2x minus 3, x less than or equal to 2, x greater than 2. So now when x less than 2, so represent left hand limit x tend to 2 negative. Show value of function fx. So limit x tends to 2 negative fx, x less than 2, so fx is equal to 2x plus 3. So now put here 2x plus 3. Now value of x is equal to 2. So put here 2 into 2 plus 3 is equal to 7. And also right hand limit x tend to 2 positive, right hand limit, so fx. So fx limit x tend to 2 positive, right hand limit, so x greater than 2, the value of function 2x minus 3, so 2 into 2 minus 3 is equal to 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. And value of function fx. Now put in this 7, put x is equal to, gives fx value of xx is equal to 7, and in this put 2 is equal to 1. So fx is different types of value, so fx is not defined. So left hand limit is equal to not equal to right hand limit. Therefore given function is discontinuous. Given function is discontinuous. Question number 5 is the function f defined by fx is equal to x and 5 if x less than or equal to 1 and if x greater than 1. So continuous at x is equal to 0, at x is equal to 1, at x is equal to 2. So now we can show at a point x. Solution at x is equal to 0 when left hand limit fx is equal to x if x greater than or equal to 1 and 5 if x greater than 1. So value at x is equal to 0. So left hand limit x tend to 0 negative less than 1. So fx limit x tend to 0 negative fx 0 is equal to 0, and right hand limit x tend to 0 positive fx is equal to limit x tend to right hand limit is equal to 0 is equal to 0, and value of fx is equal to f0. So left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to f0 is equal to 0. So given function is continuous. And another point we can prove. So now at point x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. So if x less than 1, so left hand limit is equal to limit x tend to 1, left hand limit is equal to fx. So value of fx less than 1, so fx is equal to x. So limit x tend to 0 negative x is equal to 1. So 1, and x greater than 1, so right hand limit is equal to limit x tend to 1 plus fx is equal to limit x tend to 1 positive fx x greater than 1 right hand limit. So value of fx is 5 is equal to 5, and put now fx is equal to 1. So fx is equal to 1 and x greater than 1, so 5x. So therefore fx is not defined. Therefore given function is discontinuous at x is equal to 1. Now Now at x is equal to 2, so left hand limit is equal to greater than 2, so left hand limit x tend to minus, so fx, and left limit x tend to 0 negative x is 1 greater 2 greater than 1, so fx 5, so 5 is equal to 5. And right hand limit x tends to 2 positive fx, so limit x tend to 2 positive, so fx 2 greater than 1, so value of fx 5, so 5, and value of f5 is equal to 5. And left hand, therefore left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to f5 is equal to 5, value of function 5. So therefore given function is continuous at x is equal to 2. That's all.